This premium aluminum wheelchair ramp delivers reliable accessibility through high-quality construction, providing essential solution for wheelchair, scooter, and walker transitions throughout residential and commercial environments. The non-slip aluminum surface ensures safety and confidence during mobility device operation, preventing slippage regardless of environmental moisture or surface conditions. The folding mechanism enables compact storage and portable transportation without requiring dedicated space or specialized handling. We share by links in description box. The lightweight construction combined with impressive weight capacity delivers substantial functionality, enabling diverse user accommodations. The straightforward setup facilitates rapid accessibility deployment whenever mobility transitions require assistance. The durable aluminum construction maintains functionality throughout diverse climatic conditions and extended use. The versatile design accommodates diverse accessibility applications, including home entries, commercial facilities, and specialized mobility requirements. The affordable pricing maintains accessibility for cost-conscious consumers requiring mobility solutions. The outstanding value combines essential accessibility functionality, portable design, durable materials, and reasonable pricing.